Welcome to Luigi and Friends.
Man, this dude is back every week. Nah, I got y'all fools this time. Hit it. Y'all better watch out, cause Big Trouble's on the mic now. I knock all of your lights out. With my verse, y'all be cursed, exploding like some fireworks. That's it. Blitz Comet, show this fool how we do. Blitz Comet on the scene. You step to me and you're gonna get cream. Corn all up in your teeth. You reek. You're the opposite of sheep. You freak. Your rhymes are like antiques. Nobody wants them. They throw them all away. Riding from the get-go like your brain is on delay. Matter of fact, yo, you better get a checkup. Go ask a doctor why you be so ugly from the neck up.
I know, right? That beatboxing is so good. And I like that rap as well. Whew, I think we need a break for all those rapping songs. Huh? Ah, my favorite agent.
Morning, Marie.
I do! Alright, kid, to cure your hiccups, first you have to hold your breath and keep holding it. Like this. Copy me. Oh, come on. Here, kid. Try the sugary water. What's in it? You don't want to know. It's filled with breath. Burp! Oh, God. Stop hicking, agent!
Alright, I'm gonna magically use spin.
Magically spin. No.
You know, I know how to cure his hiccups. Mwah.
My hiccups are gone. Thanks, Marie.
You're welcome, kid.
Finally, his hiccups are... No, Callie, no! Stop it!
Huh. I don't know Callie's going to kiss Diddy Kong to cure his hiccups.